This part, don't worry, this part is getting deleted from the level for sure, but just sorry about that. So again, just want to clear up that this part, not just the robot, I might not have been clear at the beginning, the entire part here is going to be completely removed. E-Toil's part is staying, of course, but we just can't have a part this bad in the level. We appreciate your effort, but this is not what we were going for, so it will be getting removed. I'll keep the first half of this, but after this point with this duel, I'll be replacing it with my gameplay, and then this part's just, the beginning is just going to be completely nerfed like it is right now. This is fine.